Strict restrictions in the name of the security measures have been enforced across the occupied Kashmir ahead of the Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi's scheduled visit to the valley on the 7th March. According to Kashmir Media Service, authorities have implemented a series of restrictions and heightened the surveillance protocols to ensure the smooth conduct of the upcoming event. All parties Hurriyat Conference has called for complete shutdown in the occupied Kashmir on Thursday, March 7th, against the scheduled visit of the Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi to the territory. According to Kashmir Media Service, call for the strike has been announced by Advocate Abdul Rashid Binhas, APHC spokesperson, in a statement in Srinagar. Congress leader Raman Bhalla has expressed deep concern over the deteriorating peace, governance and economy in the occupied Kashmir under the Bharatiya Janata Party regime. According to Kashmir Media Service, Bhalla, in a statement issued in Srinagar, highlighted the widespread discontent among the people due to the soaring prices, record unemployment and the regime's failure to address the issues. Former member of the Indian Parliament from occupied Kashmir, Lal Singh, has urged the people of the Jammu to emulate the unity displayed by the residents of the Ladakh in fighting for their rights. According to Kashmir Media Service, Singh, in a statement issued in Jammu, praised the efforts of the Ladakhis in demanding their political and other rights. High Court of Occupied Kashmir has ordered the release of the 27-year-old Kashmiri youth currently detained at the Bareilly jail in the Uttar Pradesh, India, under the Black Law, the Public Safety Act. According to Kashmir Media Service, the detainee Umar Ijaz Mir, against whom the police had filed 6 fake FIRs in 2016, was arrested in 2022. An Indian Army Lance Naik was fatally shot in the Rajouri district. According to Kashmir Media Service, Lance Naik Balveer Singh sustained gunshot injury initially suspected to be from an accidental discharge from a rifle in the Naushera brigade of the district. An employee of the Agriculture Department was found dead in the Srinagar district. According to Kashmir Media Service, the employee, identified as Ranbir Singh, was found dead in the parking area of the Indiranagar of the city.